Hello mga kalasa, this is Malasang Pinoy. We are here at Residence Inn by Marriott Calgary Airport, and welcome to our 2-bedroom suites upgraded. And it's Ivana's continuous birthday, and because of her birthday, I'm going to cook her favorite ate?
Sinigang!
Sinigang. So I bought from
Seafood
City. And ulo ng pinalinis na ko na yan. So, linis na. So, we have tomato, onion, and a mango fruit for dessert. And of course, may nakapak sila na vegetables. But since this is our favorite petsai from Philippines, so bumili pa kami ng isang tali for $3. So, kompleto naman sila ng gamit. Merong cookingware. So, we love this residence in Calgary Airport because they have a oven, and yan. May mga so malapit lang ang Seafood City dito. So, pwede kayong mamili. 7 minutes away lang. So, meron ng store. Ay! Hindi na kasarado. Hindi nangyari. And, yan. So, pag-start na tayo magluto, let's start cooking now. So, magbuboil ako ng water. Pero kung gusto nyo, isabay nyo na yung mga ingredients nyo, yung mga lutong probinsya. Hindi na hinihintay magpakulo kasi siyempre di kahoy or kung gumagamit ng gasol para tipid, sabay-sabay na siya. So today I'm going to cook it, so I let the water boil, and that's the time I drop the onions and tomatoes. After 2 minutes, I will drop now the salmon. So salmon is I think $11. And this one is $11 too. May kasama ng sitaw, labanos, talong, and okra na may konting petsay. Pero since favorite tayo ng petsay, bumili kami ng isang tali na amounting of $3. So, para tipid kasi favorite ni ate ang favorite ng mga bagets ang sinigang. Alright. So, lagyan na natin yung tomato na madami. Ayan. So, dito pa. Kailangan natin. Yan, may ilaw pala. And sibuyas. Ayan. So, lutuin natin yan ng 1 minute. Takpan natin ulit. Alright. So, kumukulo na, drop na natin ang salmon. So, may babaunin kami bukas para tipid. So, ganun lang. If kaya naman magluto na tayo para tipid. Mahal. Yung vegetable. So, napakaraming gulay. So, mamaya hanguin natin yung isda pag naluto kasi isasabay natin. Hindi ko ilalagay yung sili kasi mga bata baka maanghang. So, kami na lang magsili. So, yung petsay, mamaya ko na ilagay kasi maapaw. Okay. Alright. So, lagyan natin yung petsay. Okay.
Let's eat my favorite sinigang. Thank you, Dada.
Alright. So, let's eat. Yan na kami. Ayan. Salamat po sa blessing. Happy birthday, ate.